Hi everyone. I'm sure you've all heard about the keto diet and about Leptitox, the two best ways for losing weight immediately. In this video, you'll be able to see something about each of these methods and the differences between them, and you'll be able to figure out which one of these methods is the best for you. I just want to mention that the goal of this video is to give you a short explanation so you can see which method might be more effective for you. We won't be looking deeply into each method, so the video will not be long, but in the description you'll find links for more information so you can check it out on your own. So, let's start with the keto diet. The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that shares many similarities with the Atkins and other low-carb diets. It involves drastically reducing one's carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns fat into something called ketones in the liver, which then gives energy to the brain. What makes the keto diet so popular and so different from other diets? A ketogenic diet can help you lose much more weight than a low-fat diet, and this often happens without any hunger. In addition, you're able to eat a large amount of fatty foods. What's more, the diet is so filling that you can lose weight without counting calories or tracking your food intake. Ketogenic diets cause huge reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels. This, along with the increased ketones, has numerous health benefits. Studies have shown that the diet can benefit a wide variety of different health conditions such as heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, epilepsy, Parkinson's, polycystic ovary syndrome, brain injuries, and even acne. After adjusting to the diet for a few weeks, you won't feel hungry and you'll have energy for the entire day. Most people find they have quick results. Now let's talk about the drawbacks. There are several versions of the ketogenic diet, including Standard Ketogenic Diet, SKD. This is a very low-carb, moderate protein, and high-fat diet. It typically contains 75% fat, 20% protein, and only 5% carbs. Cyclical Ketogenic Diet, CKD. This diet involves periods of higher carb days, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high-carb days. Targeted Ketogenic Diet, TKD. This diet allows you to add carbs when you work out. High-Protein Ketogenic Diet, HPKD. This is similar to a standard ketogenic diet, but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbs. Now, some people might find it very confusing when they want to start this diet. Just a short look on YouTube will show you a variety of different people trying hard to clarify what you can eat, which recipes are recommended, and how you might lose weight by the ketogenic diet. The reason that none of these solutions are good enough is because each person really needs a custom program which is determined by personal data such as gender, age, height, weight, and more. To overcome this problem, we're recommending Custom Keto Diet, a clear and friendly plan that seems to give the best results. Custom Keto Diet is the most well-known company, and it has great customer feedback. The plan gives you 8 weeks with full instructions, recipes, a list of products, and is matched to your personal data. The plan costs $37 and comes with a 60-day risk-free money-back guarantee. Now, let's focus on the second product, Leptitox. Leptitox is a blend of a number of natural ingredients that help you lose weight. It targets the specific thing responsible for accumulation of body fat, and that is leptin resistance. It's made up of the purest and highest quality ingredients, 22 naturally detoxifying nutrients, and plant extracts in a small, easy-to-swallow capsule that you only take once a day. Every capsule is manufactured in the USA in FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities under the most sterile, strict, and exacting standards. These capsules are vegetarian, non-GMO, safe, contain no dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they are not habit-forming nor tolerance-forming. This formula is not only incredible for losing weight, but also helps support a healthy heart, brain, and joints, boosts energy levels, and so much more. By taking Leptitox, you'll not only be losing weight, but also improving your overall health at the same time. In addition, with Leptitox, you won't need to be on any special diet nor do any special exercises. You will lose weight and yet eat whatever you want. Who will benefit the most from Leptitox? People who are 35 years or older and for whom diets have not worked in the past. On the other hand, are there any drawbacks to Leptitox? Well, it's a little more costly. Leptitox costs between $33 and $49 per bottle, so your total cost will depend on how many bottles you take. Sometimes people are skeptical about a nutritional supplement that says it can change their lives without much effort. The difference is that this product really works, and it's become one of the most popular and well-known products in the weight loss field. In fact, the company is so sure about it, they'll give you 60 days from the time of purchase where you can get all your money back if you're not completely satisfied. Even though I'm telling you that without a doubt these are the two best and most effective methods on the market today for losing weight, you shouldn't take my word for it. Do your own research. Don't buy anything until you've checked the link in the description and watched the full explanation. Then you'll be able to make the best and most informed decision for yourself.